What if you could turn your garage, your driveway, or even your backyard into a cash machine? In this episode, we're uncovering how to make real income by renting out the stuff you already own without lifting a finger. From unused storage space to folding tables, party gear, or even your backyard, we'll show you how to turn passive into profitable. This isn't about clutter, it's about cash. Let's go. Welcome back to EarnBook, where we bring you real-world ways to earn real money using what you've already got. You don't need a storefront, you don't need inventory, and you definitely don't need a boss. In fact, today's episode is all about working smarter by letting your space and your stuff do the work for you. We call it the rent-a-space method, because whether it's a garage you're not using, a driveway that sits empty all day, or a power washer collecting dust, you might be sitting on an untapped income stream. Let's walk through it. Rent out your storage space. Got a clean, dry corner of your garage, a basement room, a backyard shed? Sites like neighbor.com let you rent that space out to people who need local storage. People use it for boxes, furniture, seasonal stuff, even business inventory. And the best part? You don't lift a thing. They bring it, they store it, they leave it. You just get paid. Average earnings range from $50 to $300 a month depending on space, access, and location. If you live near a college campus or apartment complex, demand can be huge. Students moving in and out or neighbors downsizing often need quick, cheap storage. And you can be the solution. You can even get creative. Offer to help them load or unload for an extra fee, or sell storage add-ons like plastic bins, tarps, or shelving. Rent out your driveway or parking space. Got a driveway you're not using? Rent it. Platforms like Spacer or JustPark make it easy to list your space and collect payments. Whether you live near a stadium, event venue, downtown district, or even a hospital or university, people will pay to avoid overpriced parking garages. Some people earn $100 to $400 a month just letting others park in their driveway during business hours. Think bigger too. If you live in a beach town or near a trailhead, you can charge premium prices during weekends or holidays. Pro tip: if you rent a place and your landlord allows it, subletting your parking spot can offset your rent. Just check your lease. You can even add value, offer a shaded spot, an EV charger if available, or a monthly discount for long-term parking. Rent out tools and equipment. If you've got tools, camera gear, DJ equipment, or any pricey item you don't use daily, someone else will pay to borrow it. Apps like Fat Llama or Loanables let you list everything from pressure washers to party lights. You set the terms. You approve who rents it, and you get paid for something that's just sitting in your closet. Even a ladder or carpet cleaner can earn you $10 to $30 a day. Rent it a few times a month, and you've already paid for the item. Try bundling items. A power drill, bit set, and extension cord can be a handyman starter pack. A projector and screen could be a backyard movie night rental. Add a cleaning fee or a deposit for extra protection. Keep it local, and you stay in control. Rent out your backyard. Believe it or not, backyards are in demand. Apps like SniffSpot let you rent your fenced yard by the hour to local dog owners who don't have access to outdoor space. Some people also rent their backyards for micro events, garden plots, yoga sessions, or kids' parties. One popular twist: create a pet-friendly lounge with dog toys, fresh water, and shade. Or turn part of your yard into a raised bed garden rental. Perfect for city dwellers who want to grow vegetables. If you've got a clean, safe, fenced yard, you've got a gold mine. Add a picnic table or a little shade, and you can charge even more. Rent out party gear or extra furniture. Do you have folding tables, coolers, or pop-up tents in your garage? What about extra chairs, drink dispensers, or even a karaoke machine? These things can earn you real money, especially on weekends. People throwing birthdays, baby showers, or backyard events often need gear they don't want to buy. Offer bundles. Add delivery for an extra fee. Keep everything clean and ready to go, and you'll become the go-to party plug in your neighborhood. Want to take it further? Offer optional add-ons like string lights, tablecloths, or disposable dinnerware. You could even upsell your services as a low-key event helper or setup crew. List your home for creative projects or meetings. If you've got a beautiful kitchen, a modern living room, or even a rustic shed, you can list your space for photo shoots, video content, or small meetings. Sites like PeerSpace and Gigster connect homeowners with creatives looking for shooting locations. You set your availability and pricing, and you control who uses the space. Shoots typically last 2 to 6 hours and pay $50 to $150 an hour. Make your listing stand out with good photos, a clean setup, and a detailed description. Mention the natural light, the vibe, or anything that makes your space unique. Creators love variety, and if you've got multiple rooms or outdoor settings, you can rent them separately or as a package. Rent out a room, even temporarily. If you've got a spare bedroom, an in-law suite, or even a basement setup, consider listing it as a short-term rental on Airbnb or Furnished Finder. You don't need to live in a tourist destination. Traveling nurses, students, remote workers, and families between homes are always looking for flexible stays. If you're not ready for full-time guests, try offering space just on weekends or during local events and festivals. You can also limit guests to one-night stays or a few days a month. You control the calendar. Want to stand out? Include amenities like fast Wi-Fi, a coffee maker, or a mini fridge, and always use good lighting for photos. First impressions matter. Even a clean, minimalist room can feel boutique with the right setup. And if you're camera shy or privacy minded, try platforms like Neighbor or Store at My House to rent your room as storage space instead. Same income potential. 0 foot traffic. Monetize your vehicle without driving it. If you do own a car but rarely use it, or have a second vehicle collecting dust, you can rent it out through apps like Turo or Getaround. These platforms let you list your car, vet renters, and earn hundreds per month. Even better, you stay in control. You set mileage limits, availability, and pickup instructions. Many hosts make $300 to $1,000 per month just by renting out a vehicle a few days a week. If you don't want strangers driving it, you can also list it as a prop for film shoots or photo backdrops. Just make sure your insurance is dialed in and that you follow all local laws and platform guidelines. You don't need to buy anything new to start making money. Sometimes all you need to do is open your garage, your side gate, or your calendar. Renting out what you already own is one of the most underrated ways to build passive income. Whether you're a teen with extra yard space, a homeowner with a storage shed, or just someone with a few tools in the closet, this episode is your reminder. You don't need more stuff. You just need to make better use of what you already have. In fact, the less you use it, the more valuable it might be to someone else. Unused equals opportunity. So don't overlook what's already in front of you. That dusty item in the corner, that empty side yard, that spare bedroom no one sleeps in, those could be income streams waiting to be switched on. You don't have to hustle harder, you just have to hustle smarter. Thanks for watching EarnBook. Stick around for episode 9, where we're talking about remote customer service jobs. If this episode gave you a fresh way to look at your stuff, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got more creative, low-stress hustles coming next week. And hey, Maybe your garage really is your next paycheck. Subscribe to EarnBook. Real ideas, real income, no bull. We'll see you in the next one.